Excuse me? Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning too. My name is kanin. And you? Namping. Pleased to meet you, Miss kanin. Pleased to meet you too, Miss Namping. I see you look so confused. Is there a problem? Um, Actually, I want to go to Malang, but I haven't decided what to take. Do you have recommendation for me? You can use the train or bus. If you want to get there faster, you can take by train. It takes approximately 5 hours and 25 minutes. Um, what if I want to use the bus? If you want to use the bus, it takes approximately 6 hours and 45 minutes. The difference is the 1 hour and 20 minutes longer than taking the train, but it's more cheap. What do you think, Miss Kenny? What is the best way for me to get to Malang? I think you can take by train, although a bit expensive, but the train looks more comfortable and you can arrive in Malang more faster. Moreover, the train leaves every hour. Meanwhile, the bus has to wait for several hours. Oh, okay. Thank you very much for your recommendation, Miss Kenin. I intend to go to Malang in this evening, so I will buy the ticket immediately. Oh, you're welcome, Miss Namping. Glad to help you. It's a good idea. Nice to meet you, Mr. Namping. Safe on your journey in this evening. Nice to meet you too, Miss Kenny. Thank you very much.